Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. I'm at my dad's house and today we are going to be opening 5 minifig packs. First off we open, by my start you'll be at the end. First off we're going to open this packet. Yeah, bye. Oh, look at that. We got a green base plate, that's brand new. Oh man, which one did I get? Oh, I got the parrot. Oh man, the legs. Hold on, so it is the same chicken feather pieces that they use for the chicken minifig, chicken costume minifig. You've got a parrot seed snack box. It's like a pop star to me. Look, it looks like a pop star, it's like a singing parrot. And then it comes with a hat. And then you can... okay, I'm going to rate my minifigs. And I'll give this one a 10 out of 10. I like how they had the bird box. Okay, move that out the way. We've got the next one. We got pack 2. Ah! Oh my. Ah! No! It's getting wrecked. What's this one? Oh, the cats. Okay, same base plate. It comes with a rubber tail. Very furry coat. It's not actually furry. And then you've got the head and then the hat. Most of these are just girls. We need to get some boys. Oh, it comes with yarn. What would we call it? It's his first hold on. This video is sponsored by Raid Shadow. Okay. Jumpy, just stop it. Anyway, we got the yarn and stuff. I wish that the accessories were actual their pets and stuff and just dressed up and stuff. I'm gonna give this minifigure a 10 out of 10 because I love cats. I've got 4 cats in my house. Well, not here, because then my leg will get chewed up. I used to have cats here named Tilly and Polly, but I mean like. Okay, next pack. It's getting demolished. Ooh, we got the peacock. Okay, so starting off again, we have the green base plate. It's actually hard to get pieces out of here now. Oh, look at that. We got the base plate, the legs. Oh, look, it comes with the same pieces as the parrot and the chicken. We got the torso, I don't know which way it goes. Let's do it that way. Oh, I forgot a piece. We got the peacock tail. Very cool. I got it the wrong way. This video is unfortunately sponsored by Rage Shadow. Someone fire my editor. I have edited my I edit my video. Anyway, I got the. Oh look, we finally got a boy. Ah, he died. The peacock died that easily. 2,000 years later. Okay, we're back. And then we got 1 hour later. There we go. Now, I don't know. Wait, what's this? Got this thing. Yeah. Oh, we got these pieces to put on. I don't know what these are. For. But we do have. Oh, instruction manual. Let's go. Okay, so these are all the minifigs. And then apparently it says that the parrot has got these 2 pieces. So we're going back to the parrot, guys. No wonder it was tailless. Anyway, the order of it is that we have to put the blue one on first. And then, there you go. Then you need to do Okay, that's built now. still giving it 10 out of 10 anyway. Back. Okay, now for this guy here. It says he has a plant. So we've got a flower piece. Like, this is really new. I hope you carry on doing these things. Apparently there's a brown bit in the middle. And then there's a plant bit. That's really cool, actually. And you can't even hold it, so it has to go inside of him. Okay, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. It's good, but it's not as great as the other two. Anyway, next one. Okay, so we got this one next. I have good hopes for this one. Okay, we got the bunny. I was actually waiting for this. Green base plate again. Oh, this is actually the first kid. And then the torso. It's hanging. Got a really cool bit. It looks like the hamster from Series 27. Got a really lovely happy face. A hat. And it comes with a basket. I can't even put it on him. Or her. Okay, so there. 11 out of 10, that is good. Okay, that's the best character I've got. Okay, last one. Oh, that was actually really good. Oh, we got the lion. Okay, so green base plates for the 5th time. We've got these legs, this torso. Oh, we've got the tail. Ah. There we go. Good as new. Okay, the tail's really good. I can make the long-lived king bit, or we can make the Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. You got the helmet, the hat piece, and then you got a piece of chicken. Now, this has got to be the best minifig of them all. This is the best minifig. 12 out of 10. These are all of the minifigs. Oh. 2 weeks later. Okay, that's better. If you want to see me open more, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.